Hello students, this is class 3 junior maths, page number 12. In this video we will solve chapter 2b, and before starting chapter 2b we will learn something. We'll learn the number name of 4-digit number. Okay, so let's start. This one is the name of 4-digit number shows the number of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones it has. Okay, so first of all you need to know that if any number that is in 4-digit, okay, so that number is in thousand. Okay, suppose I am writing 1005. So when you will count it 1 2 3 4, so we will put a symbol of place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, and this will be thousands. So let's start. This is 1001. Okay, this is 1099. So you have to consider one thing that then why it is written 1000, because there is no digit on hundreds or thousands place. So let's zoom it, and when you will see that there is no digit, there is zero on tens and hundreds place. So what we are writing here, so what we will read it 1001. Okay, so this is 1001. Next one is 1099, means there is no digit on 100 place, there is zero, so we will not write zero in number name. Okay, so next one 1115. Okay, 2642, 2760, 26, 3459, because there is digit, that is valid digit on each places, that 9, 5, 4 and 3. So we are writing here 3459. Okay, 3000, there is 3 on thousands place, so we are writing 3 on thousands place 3000, and 4 on hundreds place, so 400. Okay, 5 on tens place, so 59. Okay, so learn this number name, and after that we will start our chapter. Okay, so let's start. This is exercise 2b. Okay, so number is 1326. So how can I read this number like this? So first of all you have to find the place value of each digit. आपको क्या करना होगा, place value find करनी होगी. Suppose this digit is on ones place, so it will be ones. This will be tens, this will be on hundreds, and this will be on thousands, so it will be thousand. Okay, so when you will start writing the number name, you will start from the left side. Okay, so what is on the left side, that is on thousands place, that is 1, so we will write 1000. For this for this you have to this will be not thousands, you have to learn the spelling of numbers. Okay, 300, because 3 is on 100 place, so we will write 300. 26, so right here, and 26. So this is the number name of first. Okay, let's do the next one. Find the place value of each digit. Okay, and after that you will able to write the number name easily. Okay, so what is on thousands place? 2, so simply you will write 2000. Okay, what is on 100 place? 5. So write 500. Okay, and 78. So write 78. Okay, next one. This one is, what is on thousands place? 4. So we'll write 4,000 because 4 is on thousands place. Okay, which number you have to check, you have to find a place value, and after that you will find the number name. Okay, so 400, 7 is on 700, 4,700 and 29. Like this only you have to do the next one. How you will do? You will find the place value of thousand place. Okay, so what is, what is on thousand place? 5. So write 5,000, and there is nothing on 100 place, so you will not identify or not write the number name of 0. So again we will skip this digit and write 5,017. Okay, next one is 6,000, like this only. This one is also 6,025. There is nothing on 100 place, so we will write this number in this way: 6,000 and 25. Okay, next one is like only this two, 8,054. This one is 3,200. There is nothing on tens and ones place, so you will write this number like this. What is on thousands place? 3. So write 3,000 and 200. Okay, again 44,700. Again this number is some different from this all, and this will be in this way: 9,000, 6. 6 is on 100 place, so write 600. There is nothing on tens place, there is 0, and we will not identify the 0 in number name, so write and 2. Okay, this will be like 4,000 and 700. Okay, this one is like this. 8 is on thousands place, so write 8,000. 3 is on hundreds place, so write 3 hundreds, and there is 0 on tens place, so we'll skip this and 9. Okay, again this one is 1,001. So 1 is on thousands place, so 1,000. There is nothing, there is 0 on tens and hundreds place, so write 1,001. Okay, again 2,007. You have to change the only ones place number name and tens place number name. Here will be 2 and here will be 7, and the number name will be in same way. Again 3,005, and this one is 3 is on thousands place, so 3,000. 8 is on hundreds place, so 800. 50. Okay, in this question you have to change the number name in figure. So your first question is 3854. So first of all consider that what is on thousands place. So here it is 3. Okay, again what is on hundreds place? 8 and 54. This will be in this way. Okay, again 6,000. And you can one more simple way that you can write this number name in figure, that you have to write the place values of number ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, and after this you will get a number. Okay, so what is on thousands place? So 2, write on thousands place. Okay, what is on hundreds place? So it is 7. So 7 and 50. So 50e will be in this way. Okay, so your number is 2750, 2750. Okay, again this one is 5063. So again you will write this ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so what is on thousands place? 5. So there will be 5 and 63. There is nothing on hundreds place, so you will put a 0. Okay, and after that 63. Again in question number this. Okay, this one is 8 is on thousands place, so you will write 8 and 1. There is nothing on hundreds and ones place, tens place, and so we will put 20, that 0 on hundreds and tens place. Again what is on ones place? 1, so write here 1. Again we will we'll extend this column, and again 7,000, so write 7 on thousands place, and 300, so 300 will be in this way. Okay, the last question is 3000, so write 3 on thousands place, 900, so 9 will be on hundreds place, and 6, there is nothing on tens place, so we will write 0, and here will be 6. So we have finished this piece. Thank you so much.